Hi all, Matt McGee, Customer Success Manager here to do another owner resource video. We're going to cover cooking in these vans. It's time to bring out my induction cooktop. So again, two options. Sometimes it's embedded. This one is my preferred, where I have it tucked into the drawer here. I'm just going to set it up, plug it into my power strip that's right there. And then all I have to do is go over here and toggle on the AC outlet on my EcoFlow hub. I do turn on my fan, have it so air is going out, and so that I'm gonna bring some of the steam and moisture out of the van. I also can crack this window if I'm cooking inside. We'll talk about cooking outside in a minute. But it's this easy. The one trick for induction though, is you do need an iron-based or stainless steel-based pan. So when you go shopping for this, most boxes will have a symbol and it says induction safe. Just make sure you do that or you're not going to get very far. Next thing, we have our pan tester. We don't really cook in this thing, but we do a quality control inspection, making sure all of our inductions work before pickup. So I'm just going to put that on top here. And then it's as easy as just turning on the power. And then I can adjust my heat. They do say to start at a lower temperature. Don't start your heat at 8, 9, or 10 because you have 0 to 10. Make sure you're starting somewhere around 5 or 4, and then you can work your way up if you needed to get warmer. But it's really pretty simple to use. We'll show you all these controls. Every van gets the owner's manual for the products that you purchase, so know that it's also in the buyer's guide and in an owner's manual in the pack that you get on pickup day. So easy enough. I got my pan on there. I can turn on the power button. I can adjust the temperature. Again, I start low. And then I also can toggle through. Right now I'm set for 4.5, but if I go over and press the middle button, which has a thermostat or a thermometer on it, it'll tell me the temperature, which says 320. So I can dial that up to 340, 370, 400, that kind of thing. And then the last one is kind of neat is I can set a timer. So let's say I need to step outside for a minute. I can set it so it's only going to be on for 8 minutes or 7 minutes, which is a really nice feature. Okay, my preferred setup is when I can cook outside, especially on a beautiful day like today. I also, let's say I was successful trout fishing, I'd rather cook fish out here than in there. But we have our happy hour table, which is a great option, not just for cooking, but for setting up an outside bar or entertainment area. This is really kind of a 3-tiered setup. I usually put my cookware here, either my induction or air frying. Air frying is a very big van lifer utensil. You have a second tier here for utensils, and then a third tier with my lagoon that swings out. So this could either be my cooking setup or my bar setup. You have the ability to put a blender right here, the outlet's right there. Mix your cocktails, your glasses here, your garnish is up top. Awesome setup for entertaining. Okay, so you saw the single burner. If you got a dual burner, this is inset into the countertop and the wiring is actually buried, so you still get all the plugs up top. But the 2 burners, great. You can, same thing, have to toggle on the AC outlets, but then all you have to do is press on. You can choose your burner, front or back, and then set a temperature. Same idea, start at a lower temperature and then work your way up. 10 should rarely ever be used from a burner one. This one doesn't have all the other buttons. It's really just power on, choose your burner, and set a temperature. There is a timer too that you can set after you set your temperature. Another great way to prepare some great meals in a van. Okay, that's the great way to set up to prepare some awesome meals or have a great hang with friends using your outdoor kitchen or your indoor kitchen. Thanks for watching this video. Certainly watch all of our owner resource videos. The idea is to help you all get the most out of your van.